I'd like to introduce you to this machine and to a unique service we offer here at ProMarks. This model is the original MPD 15, the 15 standing for it has 15 inches of seal. And these machines were controlled by an now obsolete PLC HMI unit, and we retrofit them to the new style unit, which you can see there. It's a service we offer. We put in the whole new control system, and also if there's any repair needed on the machine, we refurbish it so it's like a new unit and give you back a fully working medical validatable sealer with current hardware and programming in it for about 3/4 the cost of a new unit. So that's something we offer, and we can do that on not only these machines, but any of the validatable impulse sealers out there, whether they're using Panasonic equipment, Siemens, any of them. If your machine has an obsolete PLC HMI control system, we can convert it over to our new IDEC based hardware and programming.